Hello.
Yeah, who is this?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, but who are you?
Oh, come on, baby. You forgot me so quickly.
Oh, shut up, damn. Just tell me quickly, otherwise I'm gonna hang up the call.
So much anger is not good for you because it spoils your beauty.
Beauty my foot. Who the hell are you?
Don't be angry. It's me, mate.
Who is mate? Sorry, do I know you?
Of course you know me, darling.
Don't call me darling.
Okay, then tell me that. What can I call you?
Obviously from my name.
Okay, alright. So just tell me your name.
Are you crazy? You called me. You better know my name. Don't you?
Yeah, I do, Sugar Plum.
Okay, just tell me. If you know me, just tell me my name and where we met with each other.
Whatever you have named, but I'm gonna call you sweetheart, darling, baby, Sugar Plum, and other sweet names.
Oh God, what's a nutter? Tell me, how am I gonna look like?
What a question! Your breathtaking eyes, glossy lips, blonde hair, taller, and smart. I'll die if you will more ask about you.
Oh my gosh, your words are ruling my heart. You are melting me.
That means this idea is working to propose you.
HMMMM. No. It's not like that.
Come on, don't be shy and say me free will. You have a leeway. You can say your heart's feelings.
Annie, where are you?
Hang on a minute, my brother is calling me.
Okay.
Yeah bro, I'm working.
Alright.
Hello, are you there? Hey, what happened?
Hello, sweetie.
Why did you hang up the call?
You said me to hang on a minute.
Idiot, I said you to hang on a call. That mean hold on, not hang up the call. There is too much difference.
Oh, I see, sweetie.
Okay, right now I'm gonna hang up the call. I'll catch you later.
What? You will catch me? I'm not a ball.
Never mind. Bye for now.
For getting next part of this video, please let me know in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, okay?
Thanks for watching.